Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today, I made $643 on the valuation account. This is, I think, the best day I've ever had. Yeah, yes, sir. So yeah, this is the best day I've ever had. Um, Rav, I'm cooking, you know what I'm saying? I'm cooking. So let's refresh this for a second, just so all the data is right. Yeah, but I think, yeah, it's all already in. So the account is now up $710. Um, we still need $2,290 is remaining. And yeah, that's basically it. So, bro, clean trade today. Really, really like this trade. Could have been even better than it actually was. I'm gonna show you guys. Um, but like I'm fully like okay with it. So, what did we have? Today we had high impact news dropping. Oh, shit. Which is bang, not this one. Yeah. Core CPI was dropping at 13:30, which is 1 hour before market open. So here is the proof that I actually took the trade. Bang, you can see long trade, first take profit $184 profit, second take profit $465 profit, which is $649, and then after fees it's $643 profit. Now, so yeah, we had high impact news dropping today at 13:30, which is 1 hour before market opens for me. And you can see this big ass news candle, and then news highs we had here, and then on yes, news highs was here, and then we had London lows down here, and we created a bullish SMT divergence before market opened. That's why I was bullish on the day, right? After market opened, what did we get? We got a big, wait, let me put everything away. We had a really, really strong move upwards with this big ass candle right here. And then we kind of consolidated a bit, moved up during this consolidation, and what I was waiting for right here was just a retrace, not a nice looking retrace into like some confluence here in the middle, which was the 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, we had a 15-minute fair value gap right here, and then we also hit the 0.618 Fibonacci. This isn't the right one. 0.618 Fibonacci, as you can see, of this move right here. So two nice confluences. And because of this SMT divergence, I was bullish. I was looking for a retrace and then a continuation. Bro, there's ain't much to say anymore. The low time frame confluence, why I actually entered the trade, was this inverse fair value gap right here, right? So we inverse this fair value gap with this move, and I entered right away. Now, what I could have done better is I could have actually waited for the retrace. That's what I didn't do for the last few times of the trade. Um, if I waited for the retrace, the trade would have looked something like this. Yeah, so pretty much, no, it's not the same. It's a bit less actually. So yeah, this is what the trade would have looked like. And what I targeted was, first of all, the first take profit was set at these 0.618 Fibonacci, bang right here of this move. Bang, as you can see, 0.618 Fibonacci it. Now the big problem, kinda, is that I should have actually made way less money on this trade. And there's two reasons for that. First of all, I risked more than I should have risked. I don't know why. I usually risk maximum $200, but on this one, I don't know why this happened. I risked 228. I I don't know how this happened. I actually don't know. Um, it was like I set my order, like my market order. My stop loss was right here, and then I typed in on the risk. I typed in 195. Right, that's always what I type in. I type in $5 less than $200. Right, 195 is what I always type in, and somehow it, um, I don't know. I really don't know. The risk should have been $190. But somehow it was $228. I really can't explain why, I don't know. But yeah, first take profit was set here, second take profit was set up here at this high, right? At this high that I was targeting. Um Now the second problem was, as you can see behind entry and partials, it was actually triggered right here, right? Right after I opened the trade, bang, I opened the trade on this candle, we moved up and it should have been triggered. Like, and it didn't trigger. Why? Because I didn't set the limit order yet. I mean, if it was triggered and I was stopped at behind entry, I would have probably re-entered after this inverse fair value gap got filled, right? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. That's probably what I would have done. I would have probably made some money right here. Then I would have been stopped out behind entry, and then I would have re-entered after this candle right here, right? I mean, yeah. Or I might have entered on ES, I don't know, but I would have probably entered more. I would have probably entered on Nasdaq, right? So yeah, really, really good trade. Predicted the market really, really nicely. Um, yeah, like, and I mean, another reason why I entered the trade was also because ES was looking really bullish. On ES, we tapped into the 5 minute fair value gap and hit 0.786 Fibonacci. So it was like both the indexes were aligning. And yeah, bro, perfect day, really, really nice day. I would have probably made like 500 bucks if the risk management was right and I got stopped out and re-entered. But I mean, yeah, I take it. It's okay. It's a win. That's the most important thing. It's a win. And yeah, up $710. There ain't much more to say. We banged the trade, dude. Let's fucking get it. Tomorrow we will be able to trade. Um, and Friday I won't trade because like we got high impact news during market open. So yeah, tomorrow will be the last trading day of this week. Hopefully I will, bro. It's impossible that I close this week in negative. So tomorrow will be the last trading day of the week, and this week will be closed with some good amount of profit. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.